Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over the Dynamics 365 Sales CRM platform, and this will be a beginner's tutorial on how to use the platform, as I will be doing a review on the platform and of course on the logging and sign up process, as well as taking you over the interface. Now if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. Alright, so first of all, Dynamics 365 Sales CRM is a part of the Microsoft Dynamics 365 suite of business applications. It is designed to help businesses manage their sales processes more effectively by providing tools for lead management, opportunity tracking, pipeline management, and customer relations management, which is of course the CRM. So here are some key features and functionalities of Dynamics 365 Sales CRM. First up, lead management. Now, Dynamics 365 Sales CRM allows businesses to capture, qualify, and of course track leads from various sources. Now, it provides tools for lead scoring, assignment, and prioritization to help sales teams focus on high potential opportunities. Number 2, opportunity management. Now, sales representatives can manage their sales opportunities through the entire sales cycle, from initial contact to deal closure. Dynamics 365 Sales CRM offers features such as opportunity tracking, forecasting, and competitor analysis to help sales teams maximize their revenue potential. Number 3, pipeline management. Now, users can visualize and analyze their sales pipelines to understand the status of deals and identify areas for improvements. The CRM provides customizable dashboards and reports to track key performance metrics and of course sales KPIs. Number 4, customer relationship management. Now, Dynamics 365 Sales CRM centralizes customer data, interactions, and of course communication history, enabling sales teams to build stronger relationships with customers. It offers features such as contact management, account management, and of course activity tracking to streamline communication and collaboration. Number 5, integration with Microsoft 365. Now, Dynamics 365 Sales CRM seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft 365 applications such as Outlook, Excel, and of course Teams, allowing sales teams to work more efficiently and collaborate effectively across different departments. Number 6, AI-powered insights. Now, the CRM leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to provide predictive analytics, sales forecasting, and of course personalized recommendations. This helps sales teams make data-driven decisions and of course prioritize their efforts effectively. Number 7, and the last, mobile accessibility. Now, Dynamics 365 Sales CRM offers mobile apps for iOS and Android devices, allowing sales representatives to access customer information, update records, and of course track activities on the go. So basically that's it for the features. Overall, Dynamics 365 Sales CRM is a comprehensive solution for managing sales processes, driving productivity, and of course improving customer engagement across the entire sales lifecycle. It empowers businesses to streamline their sales operations and of course increase sales effectiveness and drive business growth. Next up, we will be looking at the logging and sign up process as well as the interface, just so we give you an overview of how the platform works. Alright, so here we are on the Dynamics 365 sales page, and in order to get to this particular page, what you would want to do is to go to google.com, and over here you'd want to type in Dynamics 365 CRM sales, or just click enter, and one of these two links should be okay. So basically that's how to head over to this platform right here, and I quickly want to cover up the pricing just so you know exactly what it is you are getting into. Alright, so we'll just click on this compare Dynamics 365 sales plan, and they should open up a new tab where we should be able to see the various pricings and of course compare the pricings just to find something suitable for us. As you can see, the Dynamics 365 sales pricing for the professional is basically $65 a month per user, and this is technically the starting price. It goes up to $135 monthly per user. As you can see, the different plans, this is sales professional, sales enterprise, and of course sales premium. So it goes yeah, so this is $135, and for the Microsoft relationship sales is about $162 a month. So there is an additional one, the one that comes with the Copilot, the AI assistant. It goes for about $50 a month. So that's basically it. You can make other comparisons right here. As you can see, there are certain features most of these plans come with, and there are those some features which they don't come with. So if it's something you're looking to go into after this video, you would need to come over here and of course and just take a look at the pricing and see what if it's something that fits your budget, right? So basically that's it. We are going to click on either get started or sign in, depending on which one. Do note you will require an Outlook account for this. So if you're using a Gmail account as your primary email provider, you might need to switch to Outlook because that is the service that is recognized by the Dynamics 365 sales. All right, so we'll just click on get started because this is a new account. We'll just click on these this try for free here. You can scroll down to view other options. If there's a particular service you're looking to try out for the first time, then you can do that, but we'll just click on this try for free right here. Alright, so on this page you might need an Outlook account. You can use your Gmail account if that's what you're using, but then again there have been issues with other email providers not working with this platform, so you might think of switching to Outlook. But if it's something you're looking to try out, then you can of course use your Gmail account and see if it works for you. For this tutorial I will be using this account right here, but if it doesn't work I will be switching to my Outlook account. But either way you can try it out for yourself, and I'll just click on start your free trial right here. Hopefully we get to be redirected to another page where we should be able to log into our account. Alright, so if this is the first time you are using this service, there are some questions you will be asked about yourself. Do well to take the time and of course fill in the information over here. You may be asked more questions after this. It depends whether this is the first time you're using the service or not, but either way take your time and fill out the information over here. I'll just do that and I will be right back. Alright, so if you have successfully created your Dynamics 365 sales account, you will be greeted with this sign in page, and all you have to do is input the email or phone number you used in creating your account. Normally it would be your Outlook account, your Outlook account, but if you used a different service, then that is what you would need to put in here. I'll just input my Outlook account over here. Alright, so once you're done with that, you will be greeted with a screen like so. All we have to do is click on this launch trial, and this should of course take us to our dashboard. Alright, so once you're logged into the platform, you will be greeted with this page right here. This is of course your dashboard, as you can see. And there are a couple of things you need to note. First of all is the sales trial right here. It makes you understand that this is currently a trial version. Now just click on this right here. These are guides sort of, so you can go through them if that's what you're looking for. And over here, as you can see, I have on my sales dashboard, there are some demo or sample information, sample items, so to speak. Right, so these are basically leads, while these are work items, and these are recent calls. So these are kind of last as well as opportunities right here. And these are basically samples, right? These are samples. These are all samples. So you can take a tour if that's just to kind of like guide you around the platform, as well as an option here where you can compare some plans. So that said, let's head over to, as you can see, there is a sales accelerator. We have a calendar or task as well as calls. I'll head over to tasks. All right, so as you can see right here, I have um a sample task open. There are two of them. So as you can see, these are their due dates right here. If depending on whether they're completed, you will be able to track their progress over here, whether they're completed, cancelled, or those that have been scheduled, so to speak. So you can set the date and the priority. So just click on this drop down here. As you can see, I can set the priority from low to high. So they're currently on normal. There's an option to import from Excel as well as other things you can do, like show cards and of course delete other tasks. We'll just click on this drop down right there, no options there. You can equally import CSV and XML, as well as save the items over here, right? So those are things you can do. We won't look into calendars and calls. What I want to look into is this pipeline over here and leads, opportunities, as well as forecast. You have customers. Under customers, we have the contacts and of course accounts and other resources if you would like to try those out. So this is basically right, so there's an option here to try out a new look, but I've tried it out in the past and I haven't really seen any difference, right? So that's basically it. There are other options. There are options to add plugins. Let's see. All right, so this is the Copilot option right here. While this is basically the Copilot option, and you can add I think this should be the plugins panel. Well, that should be for chats. You can view your profile or your account by clicking on this one right here, and for settings, this will be the button. You can filter depending on what you're trying to search for. You can filter it, or you can this is for a hint. Yeah, right. So this is basically for hints, the assistance we saw earlier where we were shown certain navigations. Right, so that's basically that. So we can close this down by clicking on this hamburger right here, this one right here. All right, so that's said, over here at the bottom, you can see this right here. If we click on it, there are other things we can see. Like we're currently on sales, we can go to app settings, sales and site settings, and of course personal settings. So that's basically it for the overview of the interface and generally how things work in the Dynamics 365 sales. You can of course register for a free trial and play around with the environment and see if it's something that actually has what you're looking for. Yeah, so that's basically it for this tutorial. If this video did give you some hints, tips, or insights on the Dynamics 365 sales platform, if you're an absolute beginner, then of course feel free to give this video a like and of course subscribe for the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in another video.